Hello, everyone. This is the podcast for how to solve linear rational equations. That's a big old name, isn't it? Okay. Just to remind you, if you had 3 over x is equal to 5 over 7, what would you do? You would just cross multiply, and it didn't matter the direction you started first. And then you would divide by 5, and you get x is equal to 21 over 5. This is no different. Start by cross multiplying. Yeah, okay, it's a little more ugly, without a doubt, equals 2 times everything that's up there. And now you distribute inside, and now you have to collect like terms. So I'm going to start by subtracting the 2x from both sides, and you get 3x minus 40 is equal to negative 10, okay? So now I'm going to add 40 to both sides, and you get 3x is equal to 30, then divide by 3, and you get x is equal to 10. Cha-ching! Okay? No different. Cross multiply. So notice on this, both of them were upstairs, the variables. Okay. They're one above the other. You can't cancel anything. You can't. You have to cross multiply. So you say in 3 times everything that's in there equals 7 times everything that's in this one. Distribute this stuff inside. 3 times everybody equals, sorry, my 8 didn't finish, 7x plus 63. I'm going to cut the 3x off. So I'm moving the variables first. So that would be 4x plus 63. I'm going to cut the 63 off. That's a little big for my head. So negative 81. And then divide by 4. And that will not reduce. So that's your answer. Okay? Okay, both of them were up, or one above the other, you cross multiplied. Both upstairs, you cross multiplied. They're both downstairs. What do? Cross multiply. So you get 9 times the x plus 3 equals 8 times the x plus 4. Distribute the 9 inside. Distribute the 8 inside. How about I cut the 8x off this time? That's 1x plus 27 is equal to 32. Subtract the 27. And you get x equals 5. Okay, if I can do that in my head, which is always questionable. This one. Now, so far, what makes this one different is I want you to practice some of the vocabulary here. The coefficients, the number in front of the x on every single one of these has been a 1. The coefficient, the number in front of the x has been a 1. Don't panic. This has a coefficient that's other than 1. It's no big deal. You solve it the same way. 7 times everything that's in that parenthesis equals 8 times everything that's going to be in this one. 7 times all this would be 14x minus 14 equals 8x minus 56. I'll cut the 8x off of both sides. And you get 6x minus 14 is equal to negative 56. Now, before I can get rid of that 6, I need to move the 14 out of there. So 6x equals, so what would that be? Negative 42? Now I can divide by 6. X is equal to negative 7, and you're done. That's the name of your assignment. I know I went through it quickly, but I'm hoping that it was pretty intuitive for you. If not, please let me know. I'd love to see you in a touch point.